So this is my 2017 Ram 2500 Cummins diesel 4x4. This is the base tradesman model. As you can see, we got just the regular cloth seats, and we are about to give that a huge makeover. Let's go inside the race trailer and check out the awesome custom interior that we got for my Ram truck. Now this is the brand name. It's literally custom interior. Yeah. This is going to be the upper section of the seat. You see how it opens up right there. It's got the holes in the top for the headrest. It's got pockets on the back. That's going to be pretty cool. Definitely not cheap seat covers. Like I said, the stitching's nice, the material's nice. They smell good. And then here's one of the tops to the front captain seats. There's the front driver's seat again. Freaking awesome. Everything's strapped down. That looks awesome compared to the stock seats, that's for sure. One thing I can tell you right now is they are very legit looking. Nice looking leather. See if you can check that out. This stuff, I mean, it feels real good. Feels like nice material. So these are the headrests. Looks like we got 3. And then we got the baby one for the back seat, middle of the back seat, and then we got 4. So we got 4 headrests for all of the main seats, and then we got the rear center section little baby headrest. And then we got and then this looks like that's going to be a bottom to one of the front seats. That's going to be the other bottom to one of the front seats. Let me get you guys, check that out. Very legit looking. So we got 2 of those. And then we got this is going to be the upper section of the seat. You see how it opens up right there. It's got the holes in the top for the headrest. It's got pockets on the back. That's going to be pretty cool. And yeah, it's got these nice elastic straps with metal hooks all the way around it to fasten it down. Very thick. These things are very thick. And they got one stuck inside of another one. So there's 2 of those. And then this is going to be the back seat. And that's going to be the bottom of the back seat right there. And this should be the top of the back seat right here. Definitely very legit looking, guys. So again, this is the top to the back seat. As you can see, you can check out the stitching, the material. Very nice. I mean, this feels like really good stuff. Really good stuff. Definitely not cheap seat covers. Like I said, the stitching's nice, the material's nice. They smell good. And then here's one of the tops to the front captain seats. Definitely pretty cool. Yeah. So, let's get all this stuff installed. It shouldn't take too long, and see what the truck looks like after we get it all installed. All right, guys. So we have the front seat covers installed, and they look awesome. Very simple. Super easy to put on. The back, another story. So stay put. I'll show you what you got to do on the rear seat on the Ram trucks to get these things installed. But here's the front. So there's the driver's side that we got so far. And again, guys, this stuff, I mean, these things are literally made for the Rams. I mean, they fit the seats well. I mean, it looks like a whole different seat, like literally. Headrest, everything. I got them already dirty from crawling around in here, but yeah. We got the passenger side done also. Show you the back. Them things are awesome. Let me scoot this thing back here a little bit so you can see. So that's what the back looks like. They fit nice and tight. As you can see, the passenger side, there's zippers on the side to zip up. But yeah, so here we go with the rear seat. Now what you got to do is the bottom part you can get on, and again, you can see it fits real tight. Looks like you've replaced the entire seat. Now to get the back part on, this is the part that if you want it to look right and fit nice and tight and snug, you got to be able to get these straps that's on the bottom, and there's some on the top that go over the back, and basically they go around, under and around, and they meet up in the middle and they snap together, and that's what keeps this thing pulled tight all the way down. Now obviously you cannot fit your hands back there to buckle up those straps and get them tight. So what I had to do, as you can see, we had to unbolt the seat and pull it forward so that I can get the room to reach back there and buckle the straps and pull everything tight. Not a big deal. Let me go over here, kind of show you what's going down. So you got 4 bolts. You got 2 of these on both sides, one here and then one in the back, and those are 18 millimeter. So all you need is a ratchet, 18 millimeter socket. You could use a wrench if you want, but I will say these things are Loctited in there from the factory. They're pretty snug, and you're going to be cranking on them for a long time, so I'd recommend a ratchet. But yeah, so unbolt the seat, lift up, and then pull out, because the back has little hooks that slide into the back of the cab. So you have to pull up on the seat and then pull forward, and then it will slide forward like so, to where you can get back here and fasten the seat covers little buckles. I'm gonna try to grab one so you can kind of see it. You see there's the top of one right there, and then the bottom section would go through the bottom of the seat, come out down here, and then buckle up here. And then here's the little hooks I was talking about. There's a couple of those going down the whole seat, and they snap into the back of the cab back here. You can see that little hook. So nothing too crazy, but yeah, we're almost done, guys. We're gonna get the rear seat completely finished here and then bolt everything back up. Here's the passenger seat. Throw that over here for a minute. Again, definitely looks awesome. I am completely loving these seat covers. I mean, it looks like you, like I said, it looks like you swapped out the seats and put in some actual leather seats. I mean, these are legit. Really nice, guys. Really nice. All right, so hold tight. We're gonna get the rear seat completely done, get everything bolted back together, and we'll show you what the entire package looks like, and won't take long. So here we go. All right, so we got all the straps hooked. As you can see, that's about how far forward I have to pull a seat. And you have the corner hook here that straps together. Then you got one here, One there, one here, and you got 4 more going down there on the passenger side. So that's what I'm trying to talk about. If you want this to fit correct and be tight and not move around, this is necessary. You're gonna have to unbolt your seat, pull it forward so that you can do this, because unless you're like Slender Man or Stretch Armstrong, bro, it ain't happening. So there you go. All right, so we're gonna get this thing bolted back up and see what we got after it's all put back together. All right, guys, we got everything done. Back seat is fully installed and it looks freaking awesome. Here's the back seat. Everything's strapped down. Like I said, these things fit awesome. Fit awesome. They don't, not loose or bulky or any of that crap, you know, like cheap seat covers usually do. They fit nice, and that looks awesome compared to the stock seats, that's for sure. There's the front driver's seat again. Freaking awesome. Let's go around here. And here's the back passenger side. All the headrests fit right. It's awesome, guys. Love these things. Got your pockets. Yes sir, yes sir. And here's the front passenger seat again. So there you go. That is the custom interior leather seat cover kit for the Ram or 4th gen Ram trucks. I'm super impressed. Quality is amazing. They look amazing. They fit absolutely amazing. Like it's pretty unreal how well they fit for being a seat cover. Completely transforms the look, and man, all I can say is good quality. So yeah, they're worth the money for sure. Installation, the front, super easy. You know, probably takes you a good 15-20 minutes to put the front together. The rear seat, that's definitely a little bit more technical, because you got to unbolt it and pull it forward so that you can install the seat covers correctly. You know, that would, you know, I'm a mechanic, so you know, it probably took me a good, I don't know, 30-40 minutes to get the seat unbolted and put the covers on the right way. But no big deal. Anybody can do it. So overall, you know, I'd probably say give yourself a good hour and a half to do this. And it's awesome, guys. Definitely a good product. So I hope the video helps you guys out. If you are looking at these seat covers and kind of wanting a good opinion on how well they work, fit, and function, hopefully this gives you what you're looking for. Don't forget, give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of these seat covers, and or if you already have some, how have they been holding up for you guys. And stay safe out there, and we'll see you guys on the next one.